Sarmale. A main dish from Romania. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Dip greater than 1. Place rice in a medium bowl and pour boiling water over it. Let an NBSP soak for 15 minutes, then drain. Step 2. An NBSP. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. An NBSP and NBSP. Add the carrots, parsley roots, onions and tomato paste. Step 3. Cook in an NBSP and
Heat
2 more tablespoons of oil in the same skillet over
until the
medium-high
vegetables are tender.
Transfer the vegetables to the NBSP
Add the pork
and cook for about 2 minutes.
Bowl with the rice.
Just until
Step
browned
4.
in NBSP.
Carefully
on the
remove the
outside
leaves from the head of cabbage
Transfer to
and
the
place
bowl
them
with
in
the rice and
NBSP
vegetables
in a large pot
and
with about 2
NBSP.
inches of water.
Season with dill and black
Bring to a
pepper.
boil and an
Stir
NBSP.
until everything is
Cook
well
for
in
5 to 10
NBSP.
minutes
Until
Blended.
tender
Step
and
5.
flexible.
Set the mixture
When the
aside
pot is
and
cool,
remove the cabbage
place a
leaves
few
from the
boiled
pot,
cabbage
but
leaves
leave
over
enough
the
in the
NBSP
top.
bottom to cover.
Pour boiling
On
water
each
into
of the
the pot to
remaining
cover the
leaves,
cabbage
place
rolls
about 2
and
in
an
NBSP.
Place over
Tablespoons of the
medium-low
pork
heat.
and rice
Country
mixture in the
Cover
center
and simmer
and
for
wrap
about
the
30 minutes.
Leaf around the
Leaf around the
NBSP.
cover.